Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about the good and the bad of pacifiers and how to use them wisely. And if you'd like many more tips on navigating the first few months with your baby, be sure to click on the link in the comments below and send us your email, and we will send you our newborn resource kit for free. So let's begin with the pros of pacifiers. And the first one, very obvious, it's right there in the name, Pacifiers Pacify. They can soothe the baby and help them fall asleep, which is why we love these tiny magical objects. Pacifiers can also satisfy the suckling reflex. Now this reflex is strong at birth because newborns naturally need to suck in order to eat. Now giving your baby a pacifier in between feedings can help to satisfy this urge to suck as well as build tongue strength. Now lastly, pacifiers, when used within the first 6 months, have also been shown to reduce the risk of SIDS, a very, very significant benefit. So now let's take a look at the cons of pacifiers. And it's important to note that many of these points involve prolonged pacifier use, and that means after 6 months of age. So beyond 6 months, pacifiers can cause problems with oral motor development. Now, babies need to be able to move their jaw and lips and tongue. And this is especially true during gross motor movements because gross motor milestones are directly associated with oral motor milestones. For instance, when a baby learns to crawl, that side-to-side movement that you see with their bodies, it's actually also happening inside their mouths. So when a baby tries to crawl with a pacifier in their mouth, it can inhibit some of these mouth movements. Prolonged pacifier use can also cause problems with proper mouth growth. It can cause things like misaligned teeth, tongue protrusion, and it can even reduce strength in the cheeks and lips. And finally, pacifier use can sometimes take away from the benefits of play, and this goes for babies that are younger than 6 months as well. Babies naturally use their mouths to explore objects and try to understand things like shapes and textures. You may even notice that when you're playing with your baby without their pacifier in their mouths, they make more sounds and you see more facial expressions. So it all comes down to using the pacifier wisely. Doing things like shelving the pacifier when your baby's on the move, engaging in some pacifier-free play, and giving your baby the opportunity to self-soothe every once in a while without the pacifier can all help a lot. Now, after 6 months, experts recommend gradually decreasing the use of pacifiers to try to prevent some of those negative effects that we just spoke about. And there you have it. Those are the good and the bad of pacifiers. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time.